Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video where we are tackling your mess. If you are new here, this is a new series that I have here in 2021 where I hopefully can inspire you and motivate you to tackle your mess. Whether we are cleaning, organizing, or decluttering, we got something for you. So today's video, we are in my kitchen and we are doing some major kitchen cleaning today. So I hope this video can give you some extreme motivation to tackle your kitchen. We are going to be doing some cleaning and we are also going to be majorly deep cleaning and organizing my fridge. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete. I'm dancing.
All right, you guys, so we are starting off with getting the dishes all done. I filmed this after painting my kitchen countertops, so if you haven't seen that video and you want to see the process of how I got our countertops to look like this, make sure you go and check that video out. But I had to get my kitchen back in order. We have a very small kitchen and it's really hard to work outside of it. I mean, we live in a small house and so every space is very, very important. So we're gonna start off first with just getting the dishes done. So put me up on whatever device and let's do this together.
Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up and I won't stop. I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is mine.
So I just wanted to pop on here really quickly and introduce myself if you are new here. My name is Brianne and I create lots of cleaning content, lifestyle content, and homemaking content. So if you like that sort of content and you're needing some major homemaking motivation, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button, as I know a lot of you who watch me are not currently subscribed. And I would love to have you join our growing YouTube family. Moving on, now that the dishes are done, it is time to give everything a nice quick wipe. These countertops need to cure for 14 days. And so when you're watching this, I think we're on about day 7. And so you can only put really light appliances on and you can only wash it with hot water and soap. Nothing crazy. You're supposed to avoid all chemicals. And so I actually haven't touched them with really anything except for water.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold.
And so we're gonna go ahead and give the sink a nice good clean with this comment. I had to be very careful not to splash this stuff on the countertops, and so I did work a lot slower than what I normally would, but I love the way this stuff makes my sink look. Wait until you see it. And let me know in the comments what you use to clean your sink. I'm always really curious what people use.
I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way.
So this is how I have been living for the last 4 days as I wrapped up finishing my countertops. So it was quite the process. Again, if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go and check it out. So I am just taking everything from my kitchen table that belongs on my counters and going ahead and putting them back in their spot before we go ahead and start cleaning a little bit more. And then we will get into the fridge organization.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, it gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he He knows how to make it alright.
Okay, I apologize if you can hear my vacuum in the background, but it's cleaning my house so that I don't have to. I freaking love that thing. If you haven't got a robot vacuum yet, make sure you invest in one because it's seriously a game changer. Anyway, we are going to start tackling my fridge now. Here is what it looks like before, and I will share the after with you once we are done cleaning and organizing. So I did go to the dollar store and picked up these little containers here. I got a few of them. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and wash your containers. So we're gonna go ahead and wash those quick before tackling the fridge. Let's do it.
I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? You know the drama. You know the drama.
Alright guys, now that those are clean, they are dried, it is time to take everything out of our fridge. I've never taken this much time to actually clean and organize my fridge before. So we're gonna do KonMari style and take everything out of the fridge so that I can go ahead and give it a really good wipe down first. So let's go ahead and start doing that. And as you can see, I have a very small fridge. Alright guys, for cleaning the fridge, I'm going to fill our sink up with hot water, a splash of bleach, and also a teaspoon of Tide laundry detergent. This cleaning mixture is from Go Clean Co. over on Instagram. If you are not following them, she has some amazing tips. I've been using this cleaning method for probably 2 months now, and look how easy this stuff just works. It wipes away stains and stuff so easy. I honestly love it. It makes my life a lot easier, and you can use it on a lot of things. So after I have wiped everything with that cleaning mixture, I did just go ahead and use some paper towel to dry it and get everything nice and shiny. This also helps prevent the bleach from streaking. So then there was tons of crumbs in here. I had to pull out my vacuum and get in the fridge and clean it before I could go ahead and start organizing. This fridge did take me a lot longer to clean as I thought it would, as it had been a couple months since I had done a really good deep clean. And so I'm still using that Tide bleach and water mixture, and it is working so well on my fridge. So I would highly, highly recommend using it and trying it out if you haven't already.
To be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
Okay, now that the fridge is empty, I'm going to go ahead and wipe everything down with that bleach, Tide, and water mixture before going ahead and starting the organization. So stay tuned for that to see the after, and let's get cleaning. You guys, I can't even believe I'm showing you this. It's a little bit embarrassing, but I always promise to be real and to share with you real life messes, especially having 2 kids. I mean, things get crazy around here. So I know you other mamas can definitely relate to me, but I always want to share the real and authentic messes. So here we go, cleaning up the rest of the fridge. Next, I wanted to pop out that piece of glass so I could really get underneath there. As you can see there, it was really, really bad. And so I ended up getting as best as I could underneath there. My fingers literally wouldn't fit, so I couldn't get all the way back there, but it is as clean as it's going to get. And it looks so much better. And it is clean. I am so excited. So I couldn't reach back in there, like there's just no way for me to get back there. And other than that, it is clean. So let's go ahead and start organizing. So the first thing I'm going to do when I'm organizing is I'm going to go ahead and start putting containers in just to see where they fit before I fill them. Okay guys, I got my containers in. Now I'm going to take them out to the kitchen table and start filling them. Okay guys, so I have them how they are put in the fridge. So there's my top rack, middle rack, bottom rack, and then this is for my cheese drawer. Here is everything that needs to be put in, as well as some leftovers there, and then my bag of veggies and fruits down there. So I haven't went through the expired things, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then start putting things into the containers really fast here. Alright, so that's everything that is expired. I'm gonna put the condiments back into the fridge really quickly here and try and organize that and put things into the containers really fast so that the stuff doesn't start going bad.
Tell me what you have to go and drive me so crazy.
Alright guys, so you'll notice here we are not going for Pinterest worthy appearances today. What we are doing is we are trying to figure out what is going to work best for my fridge. So this will be a little bit of a trial and error for you to figure out what is going to work best, especially when you don't have a lot of space like me and you do have a small fridge. And so we're just kind of working with what we have and seeing what happens. You will also notice I did not label anything, as I want to see how this system works for me prior to labeling it and making it a little bit prettier. So again, I want you to know it doesn't have to be Pinterest worthy. I just want you to try and find a system that works for you and your fridge. Alright guys, here is the after. So everything is now organized. I have everything here up top. This is like, you know, the salad dressings and stuff and just kind of random condiments. This one I reach for the most. So this is like all of our stuff that we use all the time. You know, barbecue sauce, mustard, ketchup, chipotle mayo, ranch will go here, but I had to throw it out because it was expired. And then the Frank's hot sauce that I make the cauliflower with, which is amazing. Milk and cream. And then at the bottom is like our juices and spreads, okay? Then I have our drawer over here, which is gonna have just kind of like extra veggies and stuff. And then this is our fruit basket. The girls know to just come here and grab things, so that's kind of that. And then down here, I ended up taking out that basket and just putting leftovers there, and then lettuce will go there. This is what's for dinner. So this might be, I think this is such a good idea to have like a dinner basket. So whenever you need something for dinner, like this is literally tonight's dinner, everything that I need is in here. And so yeah, that's kind of that. And then I'm also putting the spinach, which is there. But here is just kind of random stuff that we use often. So we have beef broth, pickles, maple syrup, and then this bacon that I am in love with and use it for everything. You'll notice I need to go grocery shopping too. But up here we have our berries. This is the extra fruit that needs to be eaten first. This is our snacking. So this is veggies in here and then some hummus. I need to get containers so that I can prep all of this. That's one thing I don't have yet. And this one's empty right now and will probably be veggies. The cheese drawer, I put this little thing in here and this is the only one that would fit. So this is just all of my cheeses. And then at the back, you can kind of see our pepperoni sticks. Then I have my egg container. This is bread and kind of gluten. So we have bread and wraps in there. And then that is our smoothie container, which I will probably change that. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't seem very fitting. I might just take everything out of the container and leave it in. All right, everybody, now that the fridge is clean and organized, I am so excited. So I am now going to vacuum the floors as there is stuff everywhere from cleaning out the fridge.
Now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me what you have to go and drive me without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you. Watch all night, 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 watch all night.
Thank you so much for watching today's kitchen cleaning video. I hope that you guys got tons of cleaning motivation with this, as well as with the fridge organization. I hope that it can inspire you and maybe get you to tackle your mess and clean your fridge and organize it. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.